Hello friends, my name is Japneet Kaur. In this video tutorial, we will be talking about what is HTML and CSS. And in this video tutorial, I will be telling you what is the content of our new playlist which is HTML and CSS. In this playlist, you can get all the content of HTML and CSS. So let us start. So what is HTML and CSS? HTML, the hypertext markup language, and CSS, cascading style sheets, are two of the core technologies for building web pages. HTML provides the structure of the page, and CSS is used for designing the web pages. So, our content is going to be Chapter 1 is going to be about HTML and Chapter 2 is going to be about CSS. Thanks for watching our video. Please share, like, subscribe our channel.